first thing we need to do is select the out-of-the-box English text classification model, as we will be training this model to predict the job match based on the text of the resume. We navigate to ML Skills, and we will deploy this resume matching model. The robot starts off by reading the first email and saving the attachment. Next, the robot will send this resume to AI Fabric to get a job match prediction. Lastly, the robot will reply to the email with job opportunities and then move on to the next email, doing the same exact process. If there is a job match prediction with a confidence below the confidence threshold that we have set, the robot will create a task in Action Center for a human to validate this prediction. We will see an example of this with the last email. The robot has notified us that there is a prediction with low confidence and has created a task in Action Center. Let's open this task and take a look. You can see that we have provided all of the information in the email, additionally, a link to the resume. We can open this link and take a look. And now the human user has all of the necessary information to correctly classify this resume. We can select Operations and Submit, and the robot will be kicked off to continue the process. Let's jump back into Outlook and take a look at the emails that the robot sent. Towards the bottom, you can see the initial email, and at the top, you can see the response from the robot. The robot classified this resume as Operations and sent 2 open job opportunities in Operations. The robot classified this resume as Legal and sent an open opportunity on the Senior Legal Counsel.